Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy recipe for chicken fried rice. So let's cook. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And to this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon full of light soy sauce. Next, I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And about 2 pinches of white pepper. And I'm going to mix this up. Next, I have about 1 pound of chicken, and I'm just going to pour that sauce over top of our chicken. And you want to mix that up. Now I'm going to just place this off to the side. So here I have about 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and chop these up. Now that that's all chopped up, we're going to scoot this off to the side. Next, I have 1 medium onion. And I'm just going to chop this up. Just into little squares about this size. And I'm going to set that to the side as well. Next, I have 6 green onions. And you want to go ahead and finely chop those up as well. Now that that is all done, you want to get 12 ounces of frozen peas and carrots. And you want to take all of this along with your chicken over to the stove so we can cook it up. Okay, so I have my wok heating up, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoonful of oil. And I have 3 eggs that I mixed up, and I'm going to pour that in. And you just want to chop your eggs up just a little bit. Now that these eggs are done, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. So now you want to add about another tablespoon full of oil into your pan. And you're going to put your chicken in. Now that our chicken is out, we're going to add about a half a tablespoon of oil back into our pan. And now you're just going to add in your onions and your garlic. And you're just going to cook this up until you start to smell the garlic. Now you want to add in your 12 ounces of carrots and peas. So now I'm just going to add my eggs back in. And now my chicken. So now I have about 4 cups of cold rice that I have. And I'm just going to start adding our rice in. And I'm going to stir that all together. Now that this is all mixed up, I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And you want to mix this in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off. Now that this is done, I'm just going to go in with our green onion. And I'm going to drizzle some sesame seed oil on top. And I'm just going to mix that in. Now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. Alright guys, so I'm finished plating up our chicken fried rice. And here's a look up close. Don't you just want to grab those chopsticks and go right in for this, guys? It looks so pretty and delicious. And you see, I didn't need a lot of oil at all. I used around 2.5 tablespoons of oil, which is not that bad for this amount of food. So today I showed you that you don't have to use a lot of oil to make chicken fried rice or shrimp fried rice or any type of fried rice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.